a shopping website called Rainforest. And now I can open it. So we put URL. Okay, this is a customer visible page. Customer can see the product information, the product name, the product price, customer reviewer, and you can add a personal product evaluation. And click here. You can see a customer reviewer in a form. Look at the page top left. The customer can query some product by product password. And now we input book. Click query. Okay, we can see 3 about book product information. Book C3, book A, B book 1. Go back. In addition, we can input price. P3 query. And we can see 3 product price is £33. Okay, we go back. And here have a button. Administrator login. We click it. And we input the username and the password. Click submit. Okay, we log in successfully. And the administrator have 3 functions. Add product information, delete product information, and change the product information. First of all, we can try add product information. We can add a product name called pencil. And the price is £3. Click submit. Oh, we can see the first line. Product name is pencil. Price £3. Second, we try the delete the product information. We click delete. Okay. We can see we add the product pencil just now can be deleted. The first line not have the pencil product. And then we try the change product information. We change the product name is iPhone 5S, and the price is £5,050. examine. Okay, we can see the product name is changed. Now it's iPhone 5s and the price is £550. And administrator can change or delete the product information of different product by query. For example, we input book and we can change the first one. Book, say, book 67, and the price is £3. Wait. Okay, we can see we change the product information. Now require the book and delete it. Okay, the product is deleted. Finish. We are done.